Good morning, Ryan from Perry's here. Just a quick video explaining the basic controls of your new vehicle, just to minimise contact when you do come into the showroom. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the steering wheel and we're going to work our way all the way around the vehicle. Okay, so starting off on the steering wheel, I'll show you how to connect your Bluetooth up in a moment, but once your Bluetooth is connected, you've got your answer and your decline buttons here. Okay, you've also got your voice command, so if you want to call someone whilst you're driving, you push that and then say call, and then call whoever you want to call. You've got your volume controls as well, so that will control your volume whether you're on Bluetooth or the radio. And then if your phone is connected and you're playing songs from your phone, you can use that one to change the songs, or if you're on the radio, you can use that to change your radio station. And then this button here, that will go between the radio station and your Bluetooth if it's connected up. Okay. On the right hand side, this is where your trip computer and your cruise control is controlled from. So this button here will control your trip computer in the middle there, so you've got quite a few different settings. Okay. And then you've got a digital speedo there, and then at the top you can see your miles, and then down the bottom you can see how many miles the vehicle has. This one here is for your cruise control, so you push that once and it will come up saying cruise. Now to set that, when you're at the speed you want to, you just pull that down and it will set it to that speed. Okay, if you push that button again, it will turn it off. Okay, you've got a button down here that says mode. Okay, that's for when your cruise control, push cruise control first, push mode, and it will set a speed limit to the vehicle. And again, to set a speed limit to the vehicle, you just pull that down. Okay, and it won't go over that speed limit. So at the moment it's set to 20. To cancel it out, you just push mode and then push cruise control again, it will all go off. Okay. On the indicator stalk is where your lights are controlled from. So the vehicle is fitted with auto lights, so you never need to touch those. Okay. At night time, I'm just going to turn the lights on for nighttime purposes. When you want to put your main beams on, you just push that forward and it will leave them on. Okay, and then just pull it back and it will turn them off, or you can do one simple flash just by pulling it towards you. Okay, you've also got your fog lights, front and rear, in the middle here. Okay, and then on the right hand side is where your windscreen washers and your wiper jets are controlled from. So front windscreen washers, you just push that up. The higher up you go, the faster they go, and then you can just do one down and it will just do one wipe. Okay, and then the rear one, you've got just like that. You've got two settings on there. And to squirt the front washers, you simply pull it towards you, and then to do the rear ones, you push it away from you. Okay. Down the right hand side, you've got your lane keep and assist, so that will detect the lanes on the road or the motorway, and it will beep at you if you start to drift out of those. It will also beep at you if you try to move lanes and there's a car there, or if you don't indicate. Okay. This one here is your head, your display brightness. Okay, so you can have it up or down. And then this one is your headlight adjustment. So they're set to the correct level at the moment. So on level 3, that's just how they're projected. Okay. Then on the right hand side, the vehicle is fitted with auto folding wing mirrors. So if you put it to the left, they will fold in, or you just keep it in the middle. When you get out the vehicle and lock it, they will just fold in when you lock the vehicle. And then you've got your left and right wing mirror controls and the little dial here to change them. And then you've got this button here will lock the rear window. So anyone in the back of the vehicle will now not be able to open the rear windows. You can still control them from here, but they won't be able to in the back. Okay. Then you've got your unlock and your lock buttons. And then obviously you've got your full window controls. Okay. Moving on down here. So you've got your parking sensors. So if your parking sensors are going off and you're parked close to something for a long period of time, you can just switch the sensors off by pushing that button there. The vehicle is fitted with stop-start technology, so when you come to a set of traffic lights or you're stuck in traffic, the engine will cut out. If it's in neutral when your foot is on the brake, to start it back up, you just put it back into gear and the engine will cut in. If you don't want it to do that, you push that button and it will turn off. Okay. This one here is for downhill brake control. So that's sort of if you're towing a caravan, that will sort of assist you on your braking so you don't get pushed down the hill by the caravan. And then that's the steering mode. So you've got normal and you've got sports. Sports just makes the steering a little bit heavier. Okay, in the middle here you've got two 12-volt ports. You've got an auxiliary port and a USB port, and then you've got some storage for your phone or whatever else you want to put in there. And then you've got your air conditioning and heating controls. So this one here is the fan speed. Okay, then you've got 3 different fan directions here. You've also got front and rear. So if you push the front one, it will put the blowers on up the back there by the front windscreen. The rear one is actually a heated windscreen, okay, so that will use them lines, they will heat up. Okay, you can have the passenger side set different temperature to the driver side, so you can have the driver side on 28 and the passenger side on 23. Now if you push the sync button, it will turn the passenger side to the driver's side. It will automatically do that, or you can push auto and it will do whatever it needs to be. Okay, hazard lights are just here, and then you've got your radio up here. So you can see it's a split screen. Left hand side is your sat nav, right hand side is your radio. Okay, so to change your radio station, simply click on that, go to list, and then you've got all your radio stations in here. There's hundreds to choose from. Okay, and for the sat nav, you push nav, click address, and then type in your postcode in there, and then click start destination, and it will take you to your destination. Okay, to set up your device, you push setup, go to Bluetooth, Bluetooth connections, add new, and then go to your mobile device or your Bluetooth device, go to the settings, find the Tucson, and then follow the on-screen instructions, and then they will be connected up. Okay, and then you can go between the radio and the media. The media is the songs that you've got playing on your phone. Okay, if you have got any questions, you can always refer back to this video in the future, or you can just give me a call. Thank you, I'll see you soon.